This is an emergency alert. Urgent update on the hazardous biological outbreak. Please listen carefully for critical information. Residents within a 75-mile radius of the accident site are advised to evacuate immediately to designated, militarized safe zones to ensure your safety. The V.E.N.O.M outbreak has escalated, and the situation has worsened significantly. Listen to and follow all instructions from military and government personnel at safe zones. Do not approach individuals exhibiting symptoms. Maintain a safe distance from potentially contaminated areas. Stay composed and help others during evacuation and at safe zones. If you are experiencing fever fluctuations, respiratory distress, neurological aberrations, skin lesions, uncontrolled bleeding or any symptoms of a fever, please do not hesitate to dial 911 as this could be symptoms of the V.E.N.O.M outbreak.